Hey guys, welcome to Computer Buddy. I'm Akhilesh. This video is on unboxing boAt Xtend Pro, new smartwatch. This is the latest smartwatch launched by boAt, which also has Bluetooth calling feature. This comes with a 1.78-inch AMOLED display, so it has a very good display and fast charging also enabled, and has 700 plus active modes, multiple watch faces, IP68 water and sweat resistant. So this is a watch. It looks very good with red color. Company claims 30 minutes of charging is enough to get it fully charged. When this was launched, the price was below 2000, but now when we see it, the price is almost 3000 rupees. It is 2999. So in this price range, yeah, one of the good smartwatch we can say. So in the box, however, we'll get all these stickers and some instruction manuals and warranty card and some other advertisement. So all these things we'll get in the box, and even the box looks very premium. So in the previous boAt watches were coming with a normal box, but this one has a premium box. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please do support by subscribing the channel. Thank you.